Hey everyone, I haven't posted a video in, or at least a guitar lesson on YouTube in about 4 years, and I've sort of wanted to get back into sharing some ideas and sharing some music and some concepts for guitar players and musicians generally that might get something out of this. So today I wanted to offer some ideas about how to solo over difficult chord changes, or chord changes where the chords are moving quickly. And this concept is something that comes really out of John Coltrane's tunes, particularly Giant Steps and Countdown and tunes like that, where basically the chords are lasting for only 2 beats. And I posted a video yesterday actually of me soloing on Giant Steps, and for anyone that might be interested in expanding or understanding about how to solo on a tune like that, here's an idea, I think a fairly simple one, one of many that you could choose, but one that can really help you to just immediately start playing through these kind of chord changes. So let's take Giant Steps as a tune to kind of base this concept on, and what we're going to do is take a shape that comes from the scale. And so the first chord in Giant Steps is B major 7, and what we're going to do is just basically play the root, the second, the third, and the fifth of the scale. And that's going to be true for all the major chords and all the dominant 7th chords, which those 2 chords are the 2 out of 3 types of chords that happen in a tune like Giant Steps. So the first few chords, it goes B major 7, D 7, G major 7, B flat major 7 to E flat major 7. So as you can see, it's the exact same concept for all of those chords, which change very quickly in that song, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's on to the next chord change. So the next chord change is an A minor 7. There's 3 minor 7 chords in this tune. There's A minor 7, there's F minor 7, and there's C sharp minor 7. And for the minor 7 chords, it's the same shape, or it's the same scale degrees. So from A, it's going to be 1, flat 3, 4, 5. So to be really clear here, just to show you these 2 shapes that I'm talking about, from A, it's going to be, and then from A, for A minor, or any minor chord, it's going to be this. So 1, 2, 3, 5, and 1 flat 3, 4, 5. If you're not too sure about what I'm talking about in terms of these different scale degrees, I'll at some point make another video, especially if you guys have questions about this. I'll be happy to make another video answering any confusion you might have about some of this theoretical stuff. But for now, I just wanted to kind of introduce this concept, because what it's going to do is allow you to play through these kind of chords very quickly. So let me just play through those first few chords. In fact, I'll just play through the whole tune so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So like 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and So if you're not sure about that chord progression, just look it up, Giant Steps, and that's exactly what I just played through there, is that chord progression. So I hope this concept helps with maybe some confusion you might have about how to practice playing on quick kind of chord changes like that, because there's so many different keys happening that it can be kind of confusing. Like in terms of applying different scales and stuff. So this kind of takes away some of the complexity of thinking about the Ionian scale, the Mixolydian scale, and all these different scales that you could use, and it just reduces it down to basically 2 different shapes. So yeah, I hope this is helpful, and I'll be posting another video soon with more ideas about how to get better as a guitar player and overall musician. All right, thank you everyone.